Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make lovely pickles for the Chinese New Year salad as well as to accompany other things. Hi, I'm Loretta, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. Thank you. Let's go then and see what's in store for us today. Here are the ingredients that you need for pickled cucumber. Of course, you need cucumber. We need about half and about half a big carrot. Yeah, half a big carrot. And we need to make the pickling solution. We'll need sugar, about 3 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar or any white vinegar. And then we need some hot water. We need 150 ml of hot water. And then we add in the sugar and the vinegar. And we stir it until it dissolves. So we dissolve it and then we set it aside. So the next step is we're going to make the pickle. So I'm going to use half the cucumber. Okay, just take away the thing, and I'm going to cut it into julienne, about this size. You remove the seed, yeah. Then you cut it into thin strips, like matchstick size, julienne it. Okay, and then you cut it. I'm going to set this aside. Then I'm going to cut the carrot. The carrot is a bit small, so I use 1 carrot. So it's about the same amount as the cucumber. And I'll cut it into matchstick sizes as well. Okay, now we've got the cucumber and the carrots cut. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. Yeah. Okay, to each of them. And we're going to mix it up and let it stand for 2 hours, at least 2 hours. Okay, this is the one. Okay, we just set it aside. The cucumber and the carrot has been marinated in the salt for about more than 2 hours. So we're going to rinse this out. So we're going to add some water. And then we're going to drain it and squeeze it dry. Add a bit more. Squeeze it dry. Put it here. Same for the cucumber. So now we're going to put the carrots into a container. You can use a glass one or a plastic one, it doesn't really matter because it is cold. So I'm going to put everything here. I'm going to squeeze it a bit more. Okay. And then we're going to put the pickling solution, which is cooled. Okay. And we do the same for the cucumber. And we leave it at least about 4 hours or overnight. So this is the end result of the pickled cucumber and the carrots. Yeah, so we'll leave it. We'll do it tomorrow, I think. I'll do the salad tomorrow. Okay, you can put it in the fridge and it will last a few days. Yeah, so the cucumber pickle and the carrot pickles are done. There's still quite a number of things to do before we can get through to sort of putting together the salad. We still have to do the sauce, and there are certain other vegetables that you got to purchase, but I'm going to do it tomorrow when I finish doing all these things. So I hope you like this little clip on making the pickles for the Chinese New Year salad. Watch out, there'll be another video on making the sauce. So until the next time, ciao, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And if you like my video, please click like and the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think some of your friends or family members might benefit or might learn something from my video. Thank you then. Bye. Ciao. Until the next video, until the next meal, until the next food preparation. See you.